Valentine's Day is coming soon, and I'm going to a Valentine's party, and they told everyone to make Valentine's boxes. So most people are probably just gonna get a bag or something. I'm not that boring. I'm gonna beat everyone else. I got some foam sheets, and I'm gonna make a dinosaur. Okay? And you like put the stuff in the mouth. Yeah. Okay. Ready? Let's do this. Now I have two half of a half boxes. Can you see where I'm going with this? Okay, I have to leave for the party in like 20 minutes, so I can't design the body, I just have to do the head. So now I'm going to decorate it. Put some colored paper on top of it and decorate. And teeth. In like 10 minutes ago, so see you later. I definitely, by far, had the best Valentine box at the whole party. I mean, maybe I was the only one that actually brought a box, but it was still the best one. Basically, what happened, I put it on the table in the middle, and people just fed the dinosaur their Valentine. If you want to make one of these, all you have to do is go to Walmart and pick up a foam board, and I just made two, like half of a half boxes kind of, and I made them into the shape of a dinosaur mouth, and then I just kind of added details onto it, and then when I liked the shape, I took paper, crumpled it up, and just put it on there. I crumpled it up to get like the, kind of like a scaly look, I guess, just a quick way. And I didn't have, and it's a lot easier when you're in a rush to put crumpled up paper on stuff because it doesn't need to look good. And then I glued the eyes on, and the teeth, and that's about it. Took it to the party, and it was flawless. Well, the party's over. I got a lot of Valentines. The only thing left to do before I throw this away is for watching. I'd appreciate it if you like, share, comment, tell your mom you love her, subscribe. It's a package deal, you can't just do one, you have to do all of them. Unless you're subscribed, of course, so yeah. Bye!